Yeah guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. It is Ashton with 233 here. I will be showing all my Nerf guns. This is one of them, rough cut. I've just added a scope to it. Bam. Yeah, so that is just one. And then I've got a whole closet here full. Now I've got a big guy back there. Yeah, so I gotta crap. I'm just gonna, oh crap, show this one first. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ah, it's a big guy. As you can see, I've got no bullets in here. Just for safety first. Yeah, so that's gun 2. Gun 3. Oh god damn it. Sorry about this, guys. Nerf Cam CE12. This also has a camera on it. Magazine goes in here. Just to make a noise, doesn't really now. So yeah. Gun 3. Gun 4, not a Nerf gun. I just like to show it. We have a big blue magazine here, black bullets, so it just rapidly fires. That's gun 4. And this is the crossbolt. 4 bullets here. Pop that down like that. You're ready to fire. That's gun 5. Moving on to gun 6. Elite Hyperfire. One of the fastest guns ever in the whole entire Nerf group. Yeah, this part opens for emergency. I don't know why though. As you can see, it's like bullet switch and just inside it's just the inside of the gun. Yeah, that's just gun 7. Alright then. Alright then, sorry about that guys, that's better. Gun 8, which is the Alpha Trooper CS12 shotgun.
So which one do you think is your best so far? Which one would you take to battle?
Probably that one. Because it's
The mech.
yeah. This is a shotgun. And the cameraman that is filming, yeah, he can talk as well if he wants to.
Yeah,
Can't get in the video.
And if
This
you would,
isn't Nerf, but I just wanted to show it. It's just a crap with it.
and I'm sorry to interrupt, but if you would like to go check out our last video called The Intro, where we told us that about what we're going to do and stuff. So if you'd like to go hit the like button.
That would be a big pleasure for me. Yeah, let's hope we can at least get at least 10 likes in this one video, please.
And if you would like to go onto my channel, it's a little bit of a glitch, but if you type in LIAM space KANTAMENTELLO, it will come up, but it will say LOL 2000. So if you like to, and I'm doing a 10 like thing as well. So please go hit the like button to both of us.
So yeah, if you just want to easily put the name for my friend cameraman here, you can just type in LOL 2000, it'll come up. But they'll only be the top videos only. So yeah, if you want to go check that out, that would be a big pleasure for him as well. Another Nerf gun, spray painted it. It's just epic for doing different styles on it. It doesn't work anymore, but yeah, it's just one of my best
I like the
guns
Mac
out, for sure.
as well.
Yeah. My shoes. Look at my shoes. Look at my beautiful shoes. Oh crap!
Yeah, I wish I didn't see that too.
Well, there's a little mini modulus. Yeah, it's just a pistol version. Sounds a bit weird. Yeah.
So these are all of his Nerf guns so far.
Nope, no it's not. I had this one as well. I had this one as well. That's all I can find at the moment. At the moment, that's say hello to Chimpy. Hello.
I can't tell the difference between that and you.
Sure, hello. So this is just the Doomlater. It is Nerf, but it's the zombie version.
I might have to edit in that they might think that was you, so I might have to say you and that. Sorry, bro.
I feel sorry for him now. Right, you just sit there. You just sit there. Put your top down, okay? Good boy. Be a good boy. Oh crap. This is not, this is nowhere near Nerf. I just wanted to show it. I had another bullet for this. Haha, there it is. Bullets pop out. As you can see, they look like real nutshells.
Let's take a close look at those shells.
Bullets get! Not really, don't really look real, but it's okay. Pop them in the gun. Do that. And then, if you want to pop the bullets out, you can just go. And then just pop out. Wait a sec, there's just someone speaking to us out the window sec. Guys!
So guys, please go hit the like button whilst he's not looking.
Guys!
Just go hit it. We want a 10 likes.
Don't interrupt, okay?
And yeah, he's got a lot of Nerf guns, hasn't he? Yeah.